Dick Sorenson, 79 and a half years old, here with Brain Restore program. And 15 years ago, initial problem had to do with my thumb and my right hand shaking a little bit. And then it began to progress, and then there were two fingers, and eventually this hand was shaking. Got to the point I could not hold a glass in this hand because things kept progressing in terms of the shaking. My wife and daughter both would say, you need that to change. And so if there's anything that can be done to change that, we need to do it. Here at the Brain Restore, the whole program is designed so that you discover what it is that you need to have help with personally. And I feel like I've received that care. So I'm very encouraged by what has been happening, what gains and changes have already occurred. What I hope is that balance will be restored. There will be more feeling in the feet, which there is a lot more than there used to be. So my hope is that things will be restored. And I would recommend, and I have, the program to anyone that needs to deal with neurological problems in their life. They're desiring to not just cover symptoms and make them go away, but deal with the root problems. And I'm all for that.